может, всех нанесите сюда. Просто тут надо как бы это, всегда и все. Вот эти. Да. Рядом положили.
Вот эти приклеить.
Gel, al elini. Düşürüp duruşlar.
You can see the flags and the flag at the embassy. So that we can.
Turkey, stop repressions! Turkey, stop repressions! Turkey, stop repressions! Free Merdan Muhamedov! Free Merdan Muhamedov! Free Merdan Muhamedov! Freedom to activists! Freedom to activists! Freedom to activists!
I can't. Yeah, I can't take a letter.
Pamphlet?
Yeah,
I can give you a pamphlet
yeah,
too.
pamphlet would be great. I appreciate that. I'm sorry about that.
That's okay. Let's just get this up. I'm gonna choose the couple that. I'll give you three. We're in front of the Turkish embassy. We're standing and protesting against the repressions of our activists from Turkmenistan. Turkey is repressing, kidnapping, and deporting our activists without due process. Turkey has been killing our activists. When they're taken to Turkmenistan, they're killed, they're murdered in Ovadan Tepe. We ask that Turkey release our activists. Freedom to our activists. Turkey, remember, Atatürk was for progressive nation. Atatürk was for democracy. Atatürk stood for human rights. Release our activists. Stand for human rights. Freedom to our activists. Freedom to Turkmens. You call us brothers, but Turkey, you're not. You're a sellout for gas. You sold your soul to the dictators. Dictators who are muppets and puppets of Russia, of Putin. Turkey, stand for democracy. We ask that you release and stand for democracy and protect our activists. There were already several activists that were abducted in Turkey, whose names are Omurzak Omarkuliyev, Farhat Meymankulov, Devran, Roshan Klichev, Merdan Muhamedov, and numerous others. We would like to ask Turkey to stop the repressions, to stop deporting our Turkmens, and to stop kidnapping them. The blood of our Turkmen activists is on your hands, and they're innocent people. Turkey, stop your repressions. Turkey, shame on you! Stop repressions! Release our activists! You are shameful to Atatürk! Shame on Turkish embassy. Shame on Turkey. Turkey forgot the Atatürk legacy. Turkey is against freedom of speech. Turkey is for repressions. Release our Turkmen activists, Turkey. Freedom to activists.
Stop cooperating with corrupt leaders of Turkic countries. Release Turkmen civil activists.
Freedom to Turkmen activists. People are the most valuable asset in the country. All of the gas, all of the oil, all of the riches are Turkmen people's riches. Turkey, do the right thing. Freedom to our activists. Stop repression. Freedom to our Turkmen activists. Turkey protect Turkmens.
Turkey protect Turkmens.
Turkey, don't forget Atatürk legacy. Stand for democracy. Stand for human rights. Release our activists now. This is the letter that we left at the Turkish embassy for Recep Tayyip Erdogan.